Pathway to Legacy, Free Minds of the Future. First, let me be real with you. This journey didn't come easy for me. I know what it feels like to be stuck in your head, distracted, overwhelmed, disconnected from your purpose. I've been there, and I knew I couldn't stay there. I had to make a decision, not just for myself, but for the legacy I want to leave behind. For my children, for my future, for the people I know I'm meant to impact. That's why I built this, Free Minds of the Future. It's not just a course, it's not just content. It's a 21-day mentorship that I poured my life into, and it's helping people change from the inside out. I'm not promising you a quick fix. I'm telling you what worked for me, the same system I used to rewire my own mind, reclaim my discipline, and rebuild the vision I have for my life. It's like going to the gym. You don't see results after one session. But if you stay with it, show up every day, something starts to shift. This is your 21-day journey to rewire your mind, rebuild confidence, and realign with your purpose. Because when the mind is clear, the path becomes clear. In month 1, we start with rewiring the mind. You'll work through 21 days of gratitude, prayer, release writing, and deep journaling. We dig into the roots, not just positive thinking, real soul-level clarity. You'll start to shift out of the chaos and into alignment. We build daily habits that calm the mind, strengthen focus, and open you up spiritually. In month 1, we also bring in the body, and this is where the martial arts discipline comes in. For 21 days, we stretch, move, and breathe through it. You'll learn how to train with intention, not just for muscle, but for focus and flow. These aren't random workouts. They're inspired by martial arts to help you unlock your power, one movement at a time. You'll design your own fitness flow that you can carry forward for life. In month 3, we integrate. You reflect, you align. You take what you've learned and start moving with it. You strengthen your system. You explore and continue your pathway to legacy. And you begin stepping into leadership, because someone out there needs your story, your strength, your light. This isn't just about personal growth. It's about generational impact. That's why I do this. That's why I created this mentorship. To help others who feel like I felt stuck, tired but still willing, still hungry, still trying. At Pathway to Legacy, we believe legacy isn't just what you leave behind when you're gone. It's what you activate while you're alive. It's the energy you show up with, the mindset you develop, the daily habits you commit to. This is for you if you're ready to break negative thought loops. You've had enough of doubting yourself. You want clarity, strength, and focus. You want to use your gifts to actually make an impact, not someday, but now. You don't need to have it all together. You just need to start. And here's what I ask of you as you grow. Share this. Not because it helps us as a company, but because it helps you, and it helps others. It helps introduce people to these core practices and powerful concepts. And when someone signs up through you, you earn. You make a commission every time someone joins, and every month they stay in the program, you receive income. This creates passive income while you think about your goals, your brand, and your next level. And if you let us know what you're building, what you're working on will help you. That's what this movement is about, because the work you put in is the energy that shines out. So let's grow, let's build, and let's continue on this pathway to legacy. Your journey starts now.